So in the augmented work era, what do we do? What do we do to survive and thrive in that era? How do we double down on the skills that we have and elevate ourselves and make sure we stay above the automation that's going to be going on all around us? How do we emphasize how humanity and elevate human work? What does that work look like? What are the skills we need to do that? I've been thinking about this a lot, and I've been also doing a lot of research and seeing what other people think about this too. The conclusions I've come to are that the skills we're going to need to build and double down on are the things that really are the soft skills. So the creativity skills, curiosity, the ability to learn new things and learn them rapidly. To be able to think through problems critically, to understand whether data is good or bad, to think about it in context. Systems level thinking, so to be able to look at many complex pieces, put the ideas together, to think about a really complex idea and come up with something new. Entrepreneurial skills, the ability to build value, to create new businesses, to come up with new ideas and then bring them to market, to assemble teams of people that can help that to happen. Leadership skills, the ability to inspire other people, to set direction and have them follow you. These are pretty big sets of skills that many people spend a lifetime trying to develop. Communication skills, interpersonal skills, storytelling skills, listening skills. Anything that involves the interaction with other human beings where you're collaborating to design work and figure out how you're going to team together on something, or where you're trying to lead people to go in a certain direction and do something meaningful. Also skills that are related to agility, to being able to come up with new approaches to things, to be able to be creative with ideas, but also creative with new approaches. Really what we're talking about is elevating human work, removing the repetitive, boring, uninteresting, or perhaps even dangerous work, and elevating people into much more meaningful work. Meaningful to them as a human being, something that they enjoy, that they feel brings purpose to their lives, something that they think matters, that is worthy of their time, but also something that has bigger impact on other human beings in the world. So we're at a time which is going to cause a lot of people a lot of stress, because people are going to worry, am I going to lose my job to a robot? Am I going to lose my job to an AI? Certainly, some work is going to be automated. But the opportunity here is not to devastate half of the workforce and put them out of work. It is to do what we've always done. As we have improved technology and moved things forward, we've moved people from the land into factories, into offices. We're going to continue that process and elevate human work so that we all have more meaningful jobs, more fulfilling jobs, and have more impact every day that we come to work. So think about what you might do with that. How are you going to build those skills? How are you going to double down on your soft skills, your ability to interact with other human beings, to inspire other human beings to action? How can you continue to grow as a human being so you can participate fully in this exciting era of more meaningful work in the augmented work era?